We have y equals 3 minus 2x squared over the interval from 2 to 2.4. First, we want to find the average rate of change of y with respect to x on that given interval. So we'll let y be the function f of x equals 3 minus 2x squared. So the average rate of change, or r, would be, by definition, f of 2.4 minus f of 2 over 2.4 minus 2. So we need to calculate f of 2.4. That would be 3 minus 2 times 2.4 squared. And if we run that through a calculator, 3 minus 2 times 2.4 squared, that gives us negative 8.52. And we also need to find f of 2, which would be 3 minus 2 times 2 squared, which would be 3 minus 8, or negative 5.